Unfortunately, there are very limited rights provided to consumers that have issues after the warranty expires. Most manufacturers' warranties promise not to fix a vehicle if it has problems within the warranty period. They promise to make repairs at no cost to the consumer. That means, as often happens, a vehicle can go in multiple times for complaints and have repair attempts covered under the warranty, but when the age or mileage eclipses a certain threshold, it is on the consumer to pay for the repair because of how the warranty language is written.